Do you know what makes some people succeed when everything seems impossible? Today, I'll tell you a story that will touch your heart. The story of an old lady and her empty shop. Through this, you'll also learn English. You can try repeating the story along with me in the same tone to practice. In a quiet little village, there lived an old woman who had seen many hardships in her life. Her husband had passed away years ago. Her children were settled far away, and her days were often filled with silence. Money was running out, but her courage was not. She wanted to do something, not only to survive, but also to feel useful, alive, and connected to people once again. So one morning, with trembling hands but a determined heart, she opened a small tea shop at the corner of the street. It wasn't grand, just a wooden table, a few cups, a kettle, and her warm smile. She told herself, maybe if I serve tea, people will stop by. Maybe I can earn a little and spread some comfort. The first day, she waited from sunrise till evening. Not a single customer came. She felt a sting in her heart, but she swept the floor, packed her things, and whispered, "Tomorrow will be different." The second day was the same, and the third, and the fourth. Day after day, she sat alone with her boiling kettle. Yet she refused to close the shop. Her neighbors laughed at her stubbornness. Some mocked her openly. "Why are you wasting your time? Nobody wants tea here." But the old woman never argued. She only smiled and said, "One day they will come." Every morning, before the sun rose, she cleaned the little shop, arranged the cups neatly, lit a small lamp, and prepared tea with love, as if hundreds of people were about to arrive. She did this not out of foolishness, but out of faith. She believed that effort mixed with hope would never go to waste. And then one afternoon, when her heart was almost heavy but still unbroken, a weary traveler stopped by. He asked softly, "Can I have a cup of tea?" Her eyes shone with joy. She served the tea with so much care that he felt warmth beyond the drink itself. He left smiling, and the next day he returned with a friend. Word began to spread, slowly, quietly, but surely. People started saying, "Have you tried the old lady's tea? She serves it with kindness. She listens. She smiles." Soon more travelers, workers, and villagers began visiting her tiny shop. Some came for the tea, but many came for the peace they felt in her presence. Weeks turned into months. The once empty corner shop became the heart of the village. People gathered there to share stories, laughter, and even their sorrows. The old woman's tea shop was no longer just a place to drink tea. It was a place of comfort, hope, and belonging. Years later, when people looked back, they realized something powerful. It wasn't just the tea that changed everything. It was her attitude, her faith, her positive thinking. While others saw only failure, she saw possibility. And that single belief transformed an empty shop into a place of joy. And that is the power of positive thinking. It doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means facing them with hope. This old lady didn't let empty days break her spirit. She kept believing, kept working, and life eventually rewarded her. Positive thoughts gave her courage, and courage gave her success. Remember, every new day carries the possibility of change if you choose to believe. Now it's your turn to practice English. Listen to a sentence, pause the video, and repeat it multiple times in the same tone. This shadowing method will make your speaking stronger day by day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational English stories.